Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung anong parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to because this is a timeless reading. So, this is also a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Please watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, Pisces, let us see what's coming in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood mo to. For Pisces, glamour. So it seems like you are working towards your physical appearance, the way you show yourself to the world. Maaring meron ka mga improvement na gagawin sa iyong sarili. Papakulay ng buhok, or magpapagupit, magpapaspa, facial spa, or kung ano-ano pa. Pwedeng enhancement din to. And some of you are also working towards your confidence, no? Confidence mo sa sarili mo na humarap sa ibang tao. You also have safe travel. So there are some safe travel. Yeah, travel opportunities for you. And this is also a reminder sa'yo na huwag kang matakot na mag-explore ng ibang bagay, ibang lugar. Oo, kasi you are safe, you are protected. Okay? You also have peace. So this is peace of mind. Oo, maari ngayon you don't want any drama, ayaw mong ma-involve sa mga katoksikan sa paligid mo. So you just want to experience peace. Oo. Katahimikan ng isip. Let's see ano pa. For Pisces, next 7 days. You have the 7 of Cups. Some sort of confusion. Okay, pagdating sa relationship or sa commitment na papasukin nyo, yung iba sa inyo medyo confused. Oo. Pwedeng merong kayong, you are dealing with someone na binibigyan kayo ng mixed signals. So, ibig sabihin, on and off, hot and cold yung energy niya. Minsan, parang very excited siya sa'yo. Minsan naman, parang umiiwas, no? This can also be you. Pwedeng energy mo to na meron kang, you are connecting with someone. Sometimes, you want to be with this person. Sometimes naman, parang iwas na iwas ka sa kanya. So, pwedeng may confusion dun sa connection ninyo. Maybe you feel like, there are just times na gusto mo siyang kasama, may times naman na parang hindi. So ngayon, confused ka if you really have deeper feelings for this person. And with the Justice card, I think anytime soon, you will realize, you will know kung talagang gusto mo tong taong to. Yes, there's definitely clarity here with the Ace of Swords. There's also communication. So I think you will try to communicate with this person, maging open, maging authentic, no? Maging totoo sa kanya about how you feel. And pwedeng doon, from there, pwede siyang maayos, 'di ba? Oh, hindi siya maayos with the Three of Swords. So it seems like there's a disappointment, pwedeng may separation dito. So for some of you Pisces, if you're dealing with someone na parang binibigyan ka ng mixed signals, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung gusto niya sa'yo, ano yung gusto niyang marating sa relationship ninyo, you might be, deciding to cut off this person sa buhay mo para maka-move on ka na, maka-move forward ka na. Yung iba naman sa inyo, if this is not a relationship, a romantic relationship, I see this as a contract or a situation mo sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, na you feel like walang sense of direction. And parang sa tingin mo walang patutunguhan yung career mo. And now, within 7 days, you will realize na, okay, I have to do this. So, meron kang major decision na gagawin. And that can be a loss for you at first, or a disappointment, or a heartbreak. But, like an ending. But it is also leading you towards a new direction. No? With the safe travel here and the mother load, so this is like prosperity, tapos pinakita pa yung mapa. So I think may paglalakbay sa inyo. Yung iba naman, pwedeng medyo parang painful sa inyo na humiwalay sa mahal nyo sa buhay dahil maaring meron kayong kailangan asikasuhin abroad. Or pwedeng kailangan nyo magtrabaho abroad. But there is prosperity for you. Success, good fortune coming in dito sa bago nyong aasikasuhin, bago nyong bibigyan ng attention sa inyong career. Yes, you also have power. So you are building your energy, your power, your strength. Nagpapalakas ka ng katawan mo. You are improving yourself. So some of you in the next 7 days, you will commit to yourself na yes, mag-exercise ka na, or you will do some things na activities para maging healthy ka ulit, or maging active ka, because of course, yan ay magbibigay sa'yo ng malusog na pangangatawan. Okay. What else for Pisces? You have the second house, which is about your finances. May Jupiter in Sagittarius. Oh my God. Pisces, sa inyong kaperahan, merong magandang mangyayari, no? Jupiter is about good luck and also expansion. And Sagittarius energy is, Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. So, I think you are going to explore other opportunities in terms of making money. So, pwedeng, yung iba naman sa inyo, may bibilhin kayong properties, kasi material possessions in second house. Napakaganda naman. You also have, trust all will be well. Ayan. So, kung ano man tong heartbreaking sa inyo or endings na may experience nyo in the next 7 days, magtiwala ka lang kasi you are being redirected to a new opportunity wherein dun ka mas magiging successful. And in the next 7 days, you are going to release your blocks. That's why prosperity is going to come in, good fortune, success is going to come in, especially in your finances. Kasi nire-release mo na yung anything toxic sa buhay mo na nakaka-block sa pag-unlad mo. So, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. So, kumbaga, yes, may pain, merong disappointment, but in the end, this is going to be good for you. Kumbaga parang blessing in disguise siya. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.